Should I renovate my home in today's market before listing it? Are you currently looking to list your property but are wondering what you need to fix up or how much renovation you should do before you list? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should do before listing it and is it worth it? Hi, I'm Liz Regis with Core Realty. The answer to this question is yes and no, depending on what's happening in your local market actually. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than in previous years. This means that as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore some updates or repairs that may have not been necessary or that could have been overlooked in the previous months. So in a recent article from Realtor.com, and I quote, "To stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive to buyers, which usually means some selective updates." However, since we are still in a seller's market, renovating a few key areas in your home may be enough to make your house stand out from the competition. And you will need to consider the return on your investment. According to the 2022 Remodeling Impact Report from National Association of Realtors, hardwood flooring, refinishing and putting in new flooring has the most significant value in today's market. Also, what's just as important is to make sure your real estate agent knows of any upgrades you have previously done to your home. This way they can be properly marketed to make buyers aware of your features and improvements. Finally, the best recommendation is to spend your time and money wisely by consulting with a professional agent to see where the best focus should be. Feel free to reach out to my team and I so that we can go over the best strategy of renovations to optimize the sale of your home with the best return on your investment. Hi, I'm Liz Regis, and getting your results is my priority. Make it a great day.